Now, South Korea's employment figures were up by 492,000 jobs on year in February. Quite an impressive number considering the situation at the moment. However, the wholesale and retail sectors, they saw a large fall in jobs compared to the same month a year ago. Eum Ji-young with more.
The number of people employed in South Korea was up by more than 400,000 on year for the third month in a row in February. According to data released by Statistics Korea on Wednesday, the number of people employed in South Korea was about 26.8 million last month, up 492,000 compared to the same month the year before. Jobs in health and social services saw an increase of 202,000 in February, up 9.7% on year, and 99,000 new jobs were added in the transport and logistics sector. On the other hand, the wholesale and retail sales industries saw a drop of 106,000 jobs on year. Jobs in the food, travel, and lodging sectors also decreased when compared to the previous figures. Jobs involving manual labor increased by 214,000, up 6.5% on year, but the corresponding figure for sales jobs dropped by 71,000, down 2.3% compared to the same period last year. By work hours, the number of employees who work less than 36 hours a week rose by 562,000 on year. On the flip side, those who work more than 36 hours a week fell by 212,000. And those who took a temporary leave of absence from work in February took up around 29% of the total number of people employed. Unofficial, as Statistics Korea said, many of those employed under a government project to create jobs for senior citizens took time off work as part of efforts to curb the spread of the coronavirus. By age, the employment rate for those between 15 and 64 years old reached around 66% last month. That's the highest for the month of February since data was first compiled in 1989. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.